Welcome to the ACA IELTS series. This is a comprehensive guide for the IELTS listening test predictions for January and February 2025. We'll go through predicted topics, example recordings, strategies, and model answers to help you prepare confidently. Plus, we'll share a high probability topic at the end, so make sure to watch till the end. Section 1. Everyday social contexts. Prediction. Customer inquiries, booking arrangements, or casual conversations in daily settings. Listen to the example recording.
Hi, I'd like to rent a car for 3 days starting this Friday. What are your rates for a compact car?
Our compact cars are $50 per day, but we also have a weekend package for $120. Would you like to add insurance coverage?
Question type. Short answer questions. Sample questions. How long does the customer want to rent the car? What is the cost of the weekend package? Answer is 3 days $120. What additional service does the staff mention? The answer is insurance coverage. Strategy for short answer questions. Focus on numbers and specific terms like days, cost, or package. Avoid writing extra words beyond what is necessary. Example recording.
Good afternoon. I'd like to sign up for a yoga class. Are there beginner sessions in the evenings?
Yes, we have a beginner class at 6 p.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays. Shall I book you in?
Question type. Multiple choice. Sample questions. When are the beginner classes held? A. Monday and Friday. B. Monday and Wednesday. C. Wednesday and Saturday. Answer is B. Monday and Wednesday. Strategy for multiple choice questions. Pay attention to dates and times, as they often trip candidates up. Double check if the speaker corrects themselves during the recording. Section 2. Workplace or training context. Prediction. Workplace training, company meetings, or job-related tasks. Example recording.
As part of the onboarding process, new employees must complete a safety training module. This module is available online, and the deadline to finish it is next Friday. Don't forget to submit your completion certificate to HR.
Question type. Sentence completion. Sample questions. The safety module must be completed by blank. The answer is next Friday. Employees should submit the certificate to blank. Answers is HR. Strategy for sentence completion. Pay attention to deadlines in departments. Use keywords like must or deadline to identify important details. Listen to this recording.
In today's training, we'll cover customer service skills. Always greet the customer with a smile, listen actively to their concerns, and aim to resolve their issues promptly. If you need assistance, escalate the matter to your supervisor.
Question type. Matching. Sample questions. What should employees do first when serving a customer? A. Listen actively. B. Greet with a smile. C. Escalate to the supervisor. The answer is B. Greet with a smile. When should employees escalate issues? A. Immediately. B. After listening. C. If they cannot resolve it. The answer is C. If they cannot resolve it. Strategy for matching questions. Listen for step-by-step instructions or processes. Pay attention to sequencing words like first, then, or if. Section 3. Academic or group discussions. Prediction. Study projects, research findings, or group presentations. Here is your recording.
Our topic for the group project is renewable energy. Jessica will handle wind power, while Ollie will research solar power. I'll focus on hydroelectric power. Let's meet on Thursday to compile our findings.
Question type is matching. Sample questions. Jessica will work on blank. A. Hydroelectric power. B. Solar power. C. Wind power. Answer is C. Wind power. What day will the group meet? A. Wednesday. B. Thursday. C. Friday. The answer is B. Thursday. Here is a strategy for group discussions. Focus on who is responsible for what and when actions will occur. Take note of proper nouns like names and topics. Example recording.
For your presentation, make sure to use visuals. Charts and graphs can help make your points clear. Keep your slides simple and don't overcrowd them with text. Practice your delivery before presenting.
Question type is short answer. Sample questions. What can help make points clear during the presentation? The answer is charts and graphs. How should slides be designed? Answer is simple and uncluttered. Strategy for presentation tips. Expect paraphrased words like clear instead of understandable. Focus on instructions for how to or what to do. Section 4. Academic monologues. Prediction. Lectures on environmental topics, technology, or global health. Example recording 7.
Today, we'll discuss the effects of climate change on agriculture. Rising temperatures affect crop yields, and extreme weather events disrupt planting cycles. Sustainable farming practices can help mitigate these effects.
Question type is summary completion. Sample questions. Rising temperatures impact blank. The answer is crop yields. Sustainable farming practices can help mitigate blank. The answer being climate change. Strategy for summary completion. Focus on cause-effect relationships. Highlight words that summarize main points, like impact or help. Another topic with a high chance of appearing is conversations about technological advancements in transportation, such as electric vehicles, autonomous driving, and public transport innovations. Reminder: your preparation is key to success. Remember, consistent practice with realistic materials, mock tests, and professional guidance will boost your confidence. Thank you for watching. Have questions or need personalized guidance? Drop your queries in the comments or join our IELTS program, led by American educators. Call us today at +9471 051 3101. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to ACA Global for more IELTS tips and strategies. Best of luck with your preparation.